Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this session, we are going to see the 8 text functions. So the functions which are used with the text. So the 8 functions are the len function, that is nothing but length function, a left and right function, upper and lower function, trim function, rept, that is nothing but repeat function, and mid, that is mid function. Let us go through each and every function one by one. So first, that is len, that is length function. So why the length function is used? So it is used to find the length of the given text. So it is used to find the length of the given text. So let us write is equal to len within the bracket, give the text of which you want to calculate the length, bracket close, enter. As you can see, it has given you the length of the given text. So as you can see, it has given 8, the length of the given text. This text is 8. Let us count A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Yes, 8 characters are there. So 8 functions, right? Then let us, I'll drag this. Okay, I'll drag this. It is showing me 12 functions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But it is showing 12. So the length function will also include the blank space which you have given. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a blank space, right? If I increase one space here and press enter, you can see it is showing me 13 because I have entered a blank space here, right? I'll remove that, enter. So it is giving me 12, right? If I drag it, 15, or if I write len, bracket open, the given text, enter, 10. So length function, it is used to find the length of the given text, right? So the syntax is equal to the function len within the bracket, give the cell address or the text of which you want to find the length, bracket close, enter. It will give you the length of the text which you have given, right? Then comes left function. So what is left function? So it is used to find the leftmost character of the given text. It is used to find the leftmost character of the given text, or if we say how many character it has to display, it will also display those many characters from the left side. Okay, so let us see is equal to left, bracket open, I'll give the text and enter. So which is the leftmost character here of the text? That is A, right? So this is the left side, this is the right side, right? If I drag it, you can see the leftmost character, that is P, right? We can write the left function one more type, that is equal to left, bracket open, I'll give the text, comma, I will say display 5 characters from that given text from left side. Okay, so if I press enter, as you can see, it has displayed the 5 characters from the left side of the given text, right? I had told, as you can see, 5 text or 5 characters from this text from the left side. Sorry, as you can see, it is shrink, right? Is equal to left, bracket open, I'll give this one the text, and if I say to, it will only display the leftmost two characters, right? So it has displayed the leftmost characters, and I have told display only two characters from the left side, so it has displayed only the two characters, right? Then comes right. Right function, it is same as left function, but it displays the character from the right side. That is equal to RAGHT bracket open, text bracket close, enter. You can see the rightmost character, that is H. If I enter the rightmost character, that is R, right? In the same way as left, I'll write is equal to right bracket open, comma 4. I am telling my Excel sheet that display the rightmost characters from this text and display these many characters, right? Enter. As you can see, it has displayed the rightmost characters, rightmost four characters. Why four characters? Because I have told display four characters, right? Then I'll write is equal to right bracket open this text, comma, uh, three characters. So from A6 display the three rightmost characters, right? Enter. It is ing, right? So left function, it is used to display the leftmost characters. Right function, it is used to display the rightmost characters. Now mid function. So what mid function does? So left character leftmost, right character rightmost. Mid function is for middle uh, character? No. So mid function displays the number of characters from some set of point, right? So I'll write is equal to mid bracket open. So I will say from this text start from third character, and from third character show five characters. Okay, from this text start from third position, that is D, right? And from D display five characters. Enter. As you can see from here, third character, that is UND, 1 2 3 D, right? Five characters, 1 2 3 4 5. You can see def in here, right? So mid function is used to extract some characters from a set of position, right? So from the defined position, not set of position, from a defined position, right? Is equal to mid of, I want to extract EVE here, I want to extract EVE. So from this uh, text extract from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7th position three characters, right? Seventh position is E, three characters is EVE, right? Now once more time is equal to mid of this one, comma, from second position extract two characters, that is OR, right? So mid function is used to extract the characters from the given position. Okay, extract the characters from the given position. It may be from the starting, it may be from the ending, or it may be from anywhere, from any position, right? Then comes lower. So as you can see, all the characters which I have entered here are in the uppercase, that is capital letters. So lower function is used to convert the characters from uppercase to lowercase, is equal to lower bracket open, enter. As you can see, the uppercase characters have been converted to the lowercase, right? So I'll drag it. As you can see, all the uppercase characters are converted into lowercase. Now what I'll do is I will uh, keep two of the characters low here. Okay, two of the characters in the lower case. Whenever I press enter, you can see those are in the lower case, so it will not change it to the uppercase, so it will keep it as it is, and it will change all the uppercase characters to the lowercase characters, right? Then comes upper, that is the vice versa of lower function. So it converts all the lower character or lowercase function or lowercase characters to the uppercase characters, right? So is equal to upper of the text, enter. As you can see, all the lowercase characters have been converted to the uppercase, right? How we write? Is equal to upper bracket open the text bracket close, enter. As you can see, the lowercase, all the lowercase characters have been converted to the uppercase, right? Sorry. Is equal to upper bracket close, yeah. So as you can see, the upper function is used to convert the lowercase characters to the uppercase characters. Then comes trim function. So as you can see from the name, trim function is used to cut down the extra spaces which are there in the given text. For example, this text. As you can see, there are many unwanted uh, spaces, right? So to trim off all those unwanted spaces, I'll use the trim function, that is equal to trim off, trim bracket open, give the text, enter. As you can see, all the unwanted spaces have been deleted, right? So I will drag it, I'll drag it. As you can see, the unwanted spaces have been uh, deleted, right? There was from here R to S, right? So there are around 5 to 6 spaces, these spaces, but here it has been deleted, and it has kept only one blank space, right? And here also, as to our naked eye, we cannot see the empty spaces here, right? But if you drag and see, we have this much of empty space here, right? And here also we have this much of empty space at the ending of the text and at the beginning of the text, right? So even those spaces can be deleted using trim function. Is equal to trim bracket open, give the text, enter. As you can see, right? As you can see, no additional uh, space is there, right? No additional space is there. I'll drag it. Here you can see, here if I double click here, it will display the equation, but if you click here, you can see the starting n number of space have been deleted, right? And it has not kept even a single space. Why? At the starting of a sentence or at the starting of a line, we will not give a space, we will not start a sentence with a space, right? So it has not kept even a single space. So trim function is used to trim the unwanted spaces from the given text, right? Then comes rept, that is repeat. So it is used to repeat a given text to said number of times. So if I say repeat this a 10 times, so it will repeat the a 10 times. So how to write repeat? Is equal to rept bracket open, repeat this text 10 times, right? So if I press enter, as you can see, it has repeated the given text 10 times, right? In the same way is equal to repeat bracket open this text 3 times, enter. As you can see, hello has been repeated, or the given text has been repeated 3 times. When I drag it, even here also I have told repeat this 3 times, as you can see here, or I'll do it as 2, enter. As you can see, it has repeated the given text the said number of times, right? I hope you have understood this, right? If you have seen the video till now, please like the video, comment on the video, right? Share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel, right? See you guys in the next session.